Okay, good morning, all of you. Here we can start our today's lecture. Everyone set now? Put your devices by side. Everyone is expected to have their book and pen with them. Okay, Drashti, Mahi, Janki, all set now? Should I start today's lecture? Okay. So here, slowly and gradually, we must be aware with our old terminology as well as some kind of definition of our required topic. Okay, we have started SR flip flop. What is the meaning of SR flip flop? Whenever latch is given clock, this circuit is called flip flop. Fine. Latch means without clock, the circuit will be working. But yes, circuit will be working properly. But what was the problem? Circuit was not controllable by means of user. That's why we need to add the clock. It depends on again application. Either latch is used or flip flop is used. Okay. So here we have started our first flip flop. It was SR flip flop. We have tried to cover its characteristic table, its characteristic equation, it's small table. Now onwards, everyone will remember this compact form of SR flip-flop truth table. What it says, to input SNR means 4 combination 00011011. If SNR both are 0, then next state is equal to present state. How it is written? We will write QN. So whatever I am saying, it can be written like this. QN. Whenever SNR are 0, 1, next state will be 0. 1, 0, next state will be 1. 1, 1, then invalid. So here from this concept, we have tried to cover the timing diagram. Timing diagram is drawn from the characteristic table. Whatever we are saying, same thing needs to be drawn. So here we have tried to cover this timing diagram. What timing diagram says? Is this his bag? Now all set. Okay. Now here, so in timing diagram, we have seen 0, 0. You can draw like 1, 0, 1, 0 like this. We can take S, R and Qn as per our understanding. Okay. But Qn plus 1 should be drawn by means of rule. It is not necessary if you will be asked to draw timing diagram, then every time 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 will be drawn. Or R will be drawn 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. No. We will draw as per our understanding. Let's say 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. It is S. R 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. It's okay. QN 0, 1, 1, 0. You can start by 1, 0 in place of 0, 1. It's okay. But once you will draw QN plus 1, then you need to look at S bit, your considered S bit. You need to look at R bit, you will be looking at QN bit, and based on your bit, you will draw the QN plus 1. Here I have taken S0, R0, QN 0. So what is 0, 0? So we have seen from here. If S and R are 0, 0, then Qn plus 1 will be equal to Qn. Right now in my case, Qn is 0. That's why Qn plus 1 is drawn as 0. So that will be drawn as per its time consideration. So right now we have observed up to this much of time. Okay, this time is completed. Then look at here. Again 0, 0. So look at truth table. Whenever 0, 0, what is Qn plus 1? Qn plus 1 is equal to Qa. In my case, I have taken Qn plus 1, 1. So I will draw Qn plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. So again, I would like to repeat, Qn plus 1 should be drawn as per rule of truth table. But S, R and Qn pattern you can draw by your own way. Based on the rule, you will draw Qn plus 1. So it was about the timing diagram. Please understand this timing diagram. You will be asked to draw timing diagram of any other flip-flop. Fine. Is there any doubt in timing diagram how to draw it? Anyone? How timing diagram is drawn? Okay, so it was covered in our, or it can be called switching diagram, because right now switch is between 0 and 1, 0 and 1. That's why it can be called a switching diagram. So with this, we can start our today's lecture with next flip-flop. Now we know basic understanding of flip-flop. Okay, cross-couple connection are used. Second thing will be used to more NAND gate to make them enable. So one more signal can be given. So right now everywhere we will try to use 4 NAND gate. And how they are working? We already traced every combination. Okay. So now we'll be using our previous concept. We will try to design a next flip-flop that is called D flip-flop. Name is capital D. Latch, why latch? Because one word is added, gated D latch. Means what? It is D flip-flop. Without clock latch, with gate pulse, clock pulse, enable pulse, we will call it gated D latch. Or it is also called clock D latch. Or it is also called only D flip-flop. And if you want to use flip-flop word, then don't use clocked and gated word before the D. If you want to use latch word, then add this gated or clock word before D. So this is our title. We need to learn about D flip-flop. So here, first of all, we will start by symbol. Okay. In SR, by title suggests there were two input. One is S, second was R. Here, title suggests we'll have only one input, which is called D. So use and output are same, Qn, Qn bar. Clocked means one signal will be there, which is called enable. So using all this concept, we can draw logic symbol. So logic symbol in which one input D, second input enable, two input Qn and Qn bar. Okay, so this is logic symbol. Once logic symbol is done, then it's figure. So first of all, let's try to understand the connection. So here, these two NAND gate are cross coupled. These two NAND gate are cross coupled. It is same configuration that what we learned for. We'll be talking about these two NAND gate. These two NAND gate. So here, enable signal connection is remain same. Nothing change with respect to SR flip-flop. But what is change here? So change here, in place of two input, S and R. Here, if some application require only one input, then here connection means this will come with the IC format. This will be packed inside the IC. So we will be having this pin. Outside we will be having one input pin and two output pin. If some application is available where I will require only one input, then here one input is taken and the second input is inverted. So now NAND gate one input is D, and second input is D bar. But for user, we will be having only one input pin. User, we will be having only one input pin. But inside the IC, this kind of connection is made. So this is called D flip-flop. We will justify the title also why it is called D flip-flop. So first of all, connection. Again, what is connection? Two cross-coupled NAND gate. What is the meaning of cross-coupling? We know now. We should apply enable signal. That's why two more NAND gate are used. Enable connection remains same as SR flip-flop. What is change? So only one change. In place of two input, only one input is made. So how one input is made? So between these two NAND gate, one inverter is applied and one input is taken outside. Now all this configuration will be packed. So inside it, this kind of connection is available. But for user will use or user will give only one input. So that is modification version of SR flip-flop. What is D flip-flop? It is modified version of SR flip-flop. So once connection is understood, then our next aim is to make its characteristic table. So what is characteristic table? Characteristic table will have input, present state, next state, and now because it is clock, so we will be adding enable. Okay, so enable D input, Qn present state, Qn plus 1 next state. Okay, now I hope everyone is aware with the word present state and next state. Before applying D, bit available at Qn, that is called present state. After applying D, bit is available at Qn, that is called next state. So let's start. 1, if enable 1, then okay, it is applied here 1 and 1. You will be given time to draw it out. Just look at the characteristic table. So whenever I will apply 1, so NAND gate will be getting 1. So if NAND gate 1 input 1, then we need to look at the second input. So let's say D0. Okay. So over here, second input of NAND gate is 0. But here 1. Is there any doubt? Because inverter is used here. Okay. So now NAND gate truth table is not written, but we should know now NAND gate truth table. As per NAND gate truth table, output of this NAND gate okay, 1 1, then this 0 1. Okay, 0 1 1 and 1. Now what is the output of first NAND gate? It will be 1 and 0. 1 and 0. Now if we will assume our Qn means present state. Right now nothing is applied to this gate. We are thinking to apply 1. We are thinking right now that we will apply 1 and this NAND gate we will apply 0. At that time, if some bit is available at Qn line, that is called its present state. So assume present state is 0. So this 0 will be applied here. It is cross coupled. So now can anyone tell me what is the output? 0. Yes, next state, yes. Qn bar means output of this gate will be 1. Now it is cross coupled. So it is connected here. So now what is 1 1? 0. So now I will be getting 0. So what I will write in this column, in this row, Qn plus 1, 0. Okay. So now it may happen that enable 1 be 0, but it may happen present state is 1. You will analyze all this circuit by putting all this bit. You will find your next state will be 0. Have you verified?
Yes.
Okay, it will be 0. So now you need to analyze column Qn and Qn plus 1. And what is your conclusion? Okay, if Qn 0, what I told you to analyze, look at Qn and Qn plus 1. If Qn 0, Qn plus 1 0. Although Qn is 1, Qn plus 1 is 0. Means next state doesn't depend on present state. So whenever enable 1 D0, at that time circuit is in reset state. Slowly and gradually, every characteristic table you should remember without any writing practice. If someone will tell you, let's say enable 1 D0, what is next step? Our answer is 0. But how you will remember that, I will tell you later on. First of all, check next combination. If enable 1 D1 Qn 0, whenever you will put all this bit in this circuit, you will find next state will be 1. 1, 1, 1. Next state will be 1. So you will be having 7. Let's check other combination. If enable 0. So I already explained this thing in our previous lecture. If enable is 0, then by default over here it doesn't depend on this D input. Whenever you will analyze truth table of NAND gate, enable 0, whatever D, our output will be in no change. You will be finding this thing. So you will write here no change. તો જો તમે તમારી સર્કિટમાં એવું ઈચ્છતા હો કે Qn ઉપર પહેલા 0 હોય અને 0 ને 0 રહે, 1 હોય ને 1 ને 1 રહે, તો તમારે આને શું કરી દેવું પડે? 0. તો D માં ગમે એટલો ચેન્જ થાય, Qn માં ચેન્જ નહીં થાય. પણ એવું ઈચ્છતા હો, if we want that some change should be there at Qn as per D, then we will make enable as a 1. Depends on our requirement. આપણે enable અહીંયા 1 રાખશું. 1 રાખો D માં જે ચેન્જ આવે અહીંયા રિફ્લેક્શન આવશે. પણ જો અહીંયા 0 રાખી દઉં, then D whether 0 or 1 will not be getting any change on Qn. So as per our requirement we can use this circuit. Okay. Now how this table will be remembered? So please remember, whenever enable is 1, I already told you, whenever enable is 1, output will follow D. You can see this thing. You can compare this two columns. Enable is 1. At that time, if D0, Qn plus 1, 0. If D0, Qn plus 1, 0. If D1, Qn plus 1. If D1, Qn plus 1, 1. If enable is 0, then next state is equal to present state. Fine. So whenever you will be making the characteristic table at that time, make enable 1 D0. So next state 0. Enable 1 D1. Then next state 1. જો enable 1 હોય તો next state D ને follow કરે છે. જો enable 0 હોય તો next state present state ને follow કરે છે. એટલે એ પ્રમાણે તમે last column fill up કરી શકો. D0 હોય તો 0 મૂકો, 1 હોય તો 1 મૂકો. enable 0 હોય તો પછી next state ની column જુઓ. એ 0 હોય તો 0 મૂકો, 1 હોય તો 1. So write down one conclusion of D flip flop. D flip flop. તમે જ્યારે characteristic table બનાવો ત્યારે આટલું યાદ રાખવાનું. When your title is D flip flop, then enable is equal to 1. Enable indicated by capital E N. કઈ રીતના લખો? enable capital E capital N. Whenever enable is equal to 1, next state is equal to D. એટલે આ રીતના લખાય. કેપિટલ N કેપિટલ S is equal to D. આમ શોર્ટમાં લખાય. સેન્ટેન્સ લખવાની જરૂર નથી. એક્ઝામમાં ટાઈમ બચાવવો હોય આમ શોર્ટમાં લખો તો કઈ થતું નથી. શું લખવાનું? when એ વર્ડ લખો, પછી enable En is equal to 1, then next state is equal to D. Don't write all sentences. Second case, if enable is equal to 0, means capital E capital N is equal to 0. Then NS. NS means next state. NS is equal to yes, PS, present state. Just remember these two lines. You can make a characteristic table of D flip-flop. So here why it is called D flip-flop? D means data. Data means input data. Over here, D means input data. So here, whenever enable is 1, at that time output follows input data. That's why the name is data. D stands for data. That's why data latch, data flip-flop. So here it is written, here output follows the input. That's why it is called D flip-flop, or second name is called transparent clock flip-flop, transparent clock latch. It is available in form of IC, and IC name is 7475. It's D flip-flop IC. Ready-made circuit is available in form of IC. Next is characteristic equation. So how characteristic equation can be found? We have already learned this step of SR flip-flop. Same thing is applied here. How characteristic equation can be found? From characteristic table. So this is characteristic table. Over here, it is assumed that enable is 1. That's why enable column every time it is not needed to write down. To derive characteristic equation. Our aim is to derive characteristic equation of D flip-flop. How it can be derived? From characteristic table. So here D, present state and next state. What we say is enable is 1, let's say. So next state will follow D. So 0, then 0, 0, then 0. If D1, then 1. If D1, then 1. But yes, we need to make a present state column also. Because if enable 0, then next state is equal to present state. So here two column 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And based on it, we can make next state column. Okay. So it is done. Now how CAMAP can be made from table? We know this thing. Only 4 cell. Now everything should be known. 4 cell because 2 input. One is D, one is QN. So one is D, second is QN. D and QN. Make the value of QN plus 1. 0, 0. At that time QN plus 1 is 0. So put here value 0. 0, 1. Dn plus 1, 0. So that's why 0 is written here. 1, 0. Dn plus 1, 1. 1 and last Dn plus 1, 1. Next step is group of 1. Only 2, 1. It can be seen easily. One group can be made. Then we can have the equation. Our Qn is cancelled. Qn is cancelled. And our equation is D. So Qn plus 1 is equal to D. That is the characteristic equation of D flip-flop. Everyone will write this equation. And first of all, everyone will make a characteristic table of D flip-flop by their own self. First of all, everyone will make characteristic table by their own way. Then they will write characteristic equation. One is characteristic table. Write down characteristic. Is there any doubt? Anyone? That's finished. Okay. So write down one question in homework. Write timing diagram. Write or draw. Better draw timing diagram of D flip. Timing diagram of D flip. જે તમે ટ્રુથ ટેબલ લખ્યું એને તમારે ડ્રો કરવાનું. એને શું કહેવાય? ટાઈમિંગ ડાયાગ્રામ. ઇક્વેશન ફાઇન્ડ કરો તો એમાં લખવું પડે. Okay. D2D student, row now. Okay. Next flip flop is give the title JK flip flop. Now there isn't any specific reason for this acronym. J and K, suppose S and R, then set and reset. D means data. But there isn't any specific reason for give the symbol J and K. So here in JK flip flop, this is the logic symbol. Name suggests JK means there will be two input, two output, and because the name is flip flop, that's why we will draw enable signal. So using this title, we can draw the logic symbol. One input J, second input K, one input enable because flip-flop word is used here. So I hope you can draw input. Flip-flop, there must be two output, Qn and Qn bar. Okay, so that is about logic symbol. Now why JK flip-flop is used? JK flip-flop is used to remove the condition or to remove the drawback of SR flip-flop. What was the SR flip-flop drawback? Whenever S and R both are 1, at that time, we cannot use SR flip-flop because invalid state is there. To remove this, JK flip-flop is used. So obviously, some connection should be changed. Otherwise, the circuit is same. So we need to see which kind of change is there. So this is the circuit. Please look at the connection first. Please look at the connection. It is the cross-coupled. This figure is same. You just need to draw SMS SR flip-flop. What is the difference? Here, this is also same. NAND gate. Enable connection is also same. Nothing change in this. Two input, one is J, one is K. Only one difference. over here cross coupled connection is also made for this two NAND gate also. Connection is same as SR flip flop, nothing changed. Two cross in SR flip flop, two cross coupled NAND and two NAND gate are used for enable and input purpose. Here, what is the difference? All four NAND gate are cross coupled. Now everyone knows what is the meaning of cross coupling. So only one difference is there that can remove the drawback of SR flip flop. Again, I hope you can understand the connection. Four NAND gate are taken, enable is given, J and K input are given. These two NAND gate are cross coupled, and here this output Qn bar is given to this flip flop as well as the first NAND gate also. Same Qn. Qn is given to this NAND gate. It is as same as our previous figure, as well as this is also given to first NAND gate. So only one change is there. So now we need to make the characteristic table. What characteristic table contains now? Enable, J, K, present state and next state. Last column to indicate the circuit state, whether it is set, reset, no change, invalid, that should be written. So let's start with, now the animation is not given. You just need to verify whenever you will have time. So whenever you will apply enable 1, J1, please look at here, K0, assume Qn is 0. You will verify the circuit. At that time you will find Qn plus 1 will be equal to 1. Truth table is as same as SR flip flop. Only one change is there that we will see. Otherwise, it will be same. This row we have already seen or already prepared in SR flip flop. In that case, આપણે એવું જોયું હતું કે જો S1 હોય કે ઓકે R0 હોય તો નેક્સ્ટ સ્ટેટ શું મળે તમને ઓલવેઝ સેટ. એ કઈ રીતના યાદ રખાય SR નું ટ્રુથ ટેબલ? S અને R બે સેમ છે. સપોઝ બે 0 છે તો નો ચેન્જ, બે 1 છે તો ઇનવેલિડ. S1 છે R0 છે તો સેટ. S ઇન્ડિકેટ એ જ કરે છે. S1 મીન્સ સેટ, S0 means reset. બે અલગ હોય તો S અને R. બે સેમ હોય તો 0 0 હોય then no change, 1 1 હોય then invalid. 1 0 હોય તો set, 0 1 હોય તો reset. એવી જ રીતના આમાં છે જો J1 હોય તો always next state 1 જ આવશે. If J is 1 then always next state is 1. Next combination જોઈએ. If enable 1, J1, K0, Qn, present state is 1, then also next state is 1. ત્યારે J અને K અલગ અલગ હોય. અત્યારે J1 છે, K0 છે. બે કેસમાં તો પ્રેઝન્ટ સ્ટેટ અને નેક્સ્ટ સ્ટેટમાં કોઈ રિલેશન નથી. નેક્સ્ટ સ્ટેટ ઓલવેઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ J. નેક્સ્ટ કોમ્બિનેશન જોઈએ એવું, સો ધેટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ સેટ સ્ટેટ. નેક્સ્ટ જોઈએ આવું પણ બને કે ઇનેબલ 1 છે, J0 K is 1, J0 K is 1. ત્યારે પણ next state doesn't depend on present state. Next state depends on K. એવું કહી શકો અથવા તો J. તો J માં યાદ રાખો તો it is 0, that's why next state is 0. It is called reset state. क्या combination હવે બાકી છે? Enable 1, if J and K both are 0, J and K both are 0, you can observe two row. બે રો ને observe કરો. Enable 1 છે 0 0. Again over here J and K both are equal. તો પછી હવે next state is equal to present state. Present state શું છે અત્યારે 0. એટલે next state શું લખ્યું છે? Present state 1, so next state 1. જ્યારે બે સરખા હોય J અને K ત્યારની વાત છે. J1 K0 at that time output 1. J0 K1 at that time output 0 બે સરખા હોય તો no change. Last combination જોઈ લઈએ. Whenever you will verify this configuration, whenever J and K both are 1 1, at that time this condition is there. Now what is the meaning of toggle? Toggle means inverse. 0 હોય તો 1 મળે, 1 હોય તો 0 મળે. એ વર્ડ ને કહેવાશે અત્યારે ટોગલ. પણ કોના ઉપર ડિપેન્ડ છે? અગેન ઇટ ડિપેન્ડ્સ ઓન પ્રેઝન્ટ સ્ટેટ. ઇફ પ્રેઝન્ટ સ્ટેટ 0 then 1, 1 then 0. This is called toggle. સરખા જ મળે તો આપણે કહેશું નો છે, ઉલટા મળે તો આપણે શું કહેશું? toggle. So the characteristic table is same as SR flip flop, only one change. અહીં સુધી આખું કોપી કરવાનું છે. આ એક જ ચેન્જ છે. SR flip flop માં અહીંયા આપણને મળતું છે ઇનવેલિડ. એ ઓકે જે ડિસએડવાન્ટેજ છે, જો આમ કનેક્શન કરો તો એ રિમૂવ થાય છે. રિમૂવ થઈને શું મળે છે? toggle. Toggle, but between present state and next state there is a toggle. If present state 0, then next state 1. If present state 1, then next state 0. Only one change is there. If enable 0, then it is again same as SR flip flop. No change. So this is the table of JK flip flop. Now again, everyone will find characteristic equation of JK flip flop. મેં તમને બે characteristic equation સમજાવ્યા. તમારે હવે આનું મને ફાઇન્ડ કરીને આપવાનું. તો એને માટે તમારે પહેલા characteristic table લખવું પડશે. So write down this characteristic table. Draw the KMF from table. Make group of one solid in that. જાતે લખવાની ટ્રાય કરો. characteristic table જાતે લખો, જે સમજાવ્યું એ પ્રમાણે. પહેલા તો આવું નામ આપી દો, જે કે પ્રેઝન્ટ સ્ટેટ અને નેક્સ્ટ સ્ટેટ. નામ આપી દીધું. હવે આ ત્રણ કોમ્બિનેશન બનાવી લો. 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 અપ ટુ 1 1 1. એટલે બધી કોલમ ફિલઅપ થઈ ગઈ. લાસ્ટ કોલમ એનું જે ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શન હતું એ પ્રમાણે ફિલઅપ કરવાનું. તો શું ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શન હતું? if jk 0, then no change. No change means અહીંયા present state and next state equal. તો 0 છે તો 0 કોપી કરી દો. પછી પાછું અહીંયા જુઓ 0 0 એટલે શું? present state is equal to next state. કા કોપી કરી દો બી. લાસ્ટ કોલમ ફિલઅપ કેમ કરવી એ સમજાવું છું. પહેલા j k q n એના કોમ્બિનેશન લખી લો. 0 0 0 to 1 1 1. એટલે તમારે ત્રણ કોલમ ફિલઅપ થઈ ગઈ. લાસ્ટ કોલમ કઈ રીતના ફિલઅપ કરશો? તો એના ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શન પર. તો 0 0 no change, 0 0 no change, 0 1 0 1. So next state doesn't depend on present state, but next state will be equal to j. Right now j is 0, that's why next state is 0. એટલે આટલી કોલમ ફિલઅપ થઈ બધાને. હવે અહીંયાથી જોઈએ j1 k 0, j1 k 0. At that time again present state doesn't depend on next state doesn't depend on present state, but next state depends on j. So j1 1, that's why it is 1. Last value, if they both are 1 1, તો શું આવ્યું તો આપણા ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં?
present state
toggle. તો હવે પ્રેઝન્ટ સ્ટેટ જુઓ. 0 છે તો 1, 1 છે તો 0. આ રીતના બધી કોલમ ફિલઅપ કરવાની. હા, બની ટેબલમાં કોઈને ડાઉટ? હવે ટેબલ બની ગયું તો હવે ટેબલ ઉપરથી તો કેમ આવડવું જ જોઈએ. હવે એમાં
કેમ ખાલી છે ને એક વધારે ગ્રુપ કરવું પડે ઓલ
હા મેં કોઈ પેજમાં સોલ્વ કરી નાખ્યું. હા બોલો આમાં શું આવું છે ક્યાં બનાવ્યું તમે તો ટેબલ ક્લિયર ટેબલ પરથી કેમ હવે કોઈ છે કે કોઈને તો આવડે એની પેલાની હવે જો તમારે આગળ 0101 છે તો ક્લોક ને બંધ next topic now is there any doubt table બને છે બધાથી આઉટ હોય તો પૂછો કારણ કે મેં તમને કીધું એમ હજી આપણે ટેબલ સ્ટડી કરવાના છે જો આ નહીં આવડે તો નેક્સ્ટ ટેબલ પછી નહીં આવે So now characteristic equation qn bar into j or qn k bar. Everyone from truth table you need to make k map, solve the k map and the equation. So please remember this is the characteristic equation of jk flip flop. Now okay, if you are done then we need to see a second topic. So that's it about all four flip flop. SR flip flop, JK flip flop, B flip flop. See, one key flip flop is there, but right now major flip flop are found. We need to remember its symbol, circuit, characteristic table, equation, as well as its timing diagram. So again, timing diagram of JK flip flop is as an homework. So here, and I told you whenever homework is given, you need to write this question in assignment book. Every time I remind you. Fine. So these two timing diagram question will be found in your assignment book. It will be randomly checked at the time of your submission. That how many questions that you have written from your homework. So better do your work properly and sincerely. Okay. Now, next, what is the drawback of this kind of circuit? So this question was asked in your GTU exam. What is the rest around condition and how you can overcome it? Okay. Again, it was asked as 7-mark short note from this chapter. So now what is the drawback? Drawback of this kind of circuit is, let's say, look at this figure. Let's say J is having this kind of beat. Okay, so here it is 0. This is 1. This is also 1. This is 0, 0, 0. If we are looking at K, so K is everywhere they have drawn as a 1. Now clock, or you can also call it enable. They both are same. So what we have studied that if clock is 1, J and K are also 1. At that time, our Qn plus 1 is toggling. So let's consider here, in this duration, let's say in this duration, between this duration, J and K both are 1. And enable is also 1. If we will look at this window, okay, which is highlighted by red color vertical line. So in this duration, enable is 1. In this duration, J is 1. In this duration, K is also 1. So we have seen this. Whenever they both are 1, then output is toggling. Toggling means 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1. So this circuit will lose its stability between this duration, because we want if output is 0, then we want is 0. If output is 1, then we want it should be remain 1 for some time of duration. But here toggling is there. Toggling means 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So circuit will be not in stable state. Our aim is to design a circuit which will give us stable state. But again, one drawback is arises whenever we will try to remove SR drawback. SR drawback is removed. We will not find any invalid condition here. But one more problem is arise. Which this problem? Whenever enable 1, J and K is 1. At that time, output is continuously toggled. Okay, what is the meaning of it? So here, let's say enable 1, J and K are continuously 1. So let's say present state is 0. So next state will be 1. Toggle. Next state will be 1. Let's say હજી J, K enable 1 જ છે. હજી 1 માંથી દૂર નથી થયા, 1 જ છે. તો અગેન તમને શું મળશે? ટોગલ. ટોગલ મીન્સ પ્રેઝન્ટ સ્ટેટ વોઝ 1, then next state 0. હવે અત્યારે પ્રેઝન્ટ સ્ટેટ 0 છે રાઈટ નાઉ. હજી જે ઇનેબલ અને કે 1 જ છે. તો અગેન શું મળે? ટોગલ. ટોગલ મીન્સ 1. So now our QN line is not in stable state. So we should remove. Either તમે એવું કરી શકો કે અહીંયા જે ઇનેબલ લાઈન નું ડ્યુરેશન છે 1 રહેવાનું, એ બહુ નેરો કરી દો. આને 1 ને 1 રાખવું પડે એમ હોય, બીજું કોઈ ઓપ્શન ન હોય, એ 1 1 જ છે. તો આ આપણા હાથમાં છે. આ છે એ કોઈ બીજી સર્કિટમાંથી આવે છે, જે અને કે એ કોઈ આગળની સર્કિટના આઉટપુટમાંથી કનેક્શનમાં છે. તો જે અને કે આપણા હાથમાં નથી, બટ ઇનેબલ ઇઝ ઇન અવર હેન્ડ. આપણે એવું કરી શકીએ કે જો ઇનેબલનું ડ્યુરેશન છે 1 રહેવાનું, એ ઓછું કરી દઉં. તો ઇનેબલ આ 1 1 ભલે રહ્યું, પણ ઇનેબલ થોડીક વાર માટે 1 રહેશે. એટલે તમને એકવાર આ 0 માંથી 1 મળી ગયું, પછી એને તરત જ શું કરી નાખો? 0. 0 કરી નાખો એટલે જે અને કે ડઝન્ટ ડિપેન્ડ ઓન આઉટપુટ. તો આપણે કહી શકીએ કે 0 હોય તો 0 રહે, 1 હોય તો 1 રહે. Circuit will not lose its stability. So this is one option, that narrow clock pulse can be used. So here this thing, this is called rest around condition. So here same description is given in JK flip-flop. If J and K both are 1, enable is also 1 for long period of time, then Q output will toggle as well as long as clock is remain high. So continuously if it will be remain in toggle state, then I can say that circuit will not remain in stable state. So it is unstable. So it is not desirable. Or it is uncertain. 1 0 1 0 1 0. So there isn't any certainty. So this kind of thing is not desirable in our circuit design. So this problem is called rest around condition. So this problem can be avoided by age triggering. I will explain you what is the meaning of it. Or this thing already explained. Clock input will be 1 for very short duration of time. એકવાર 1 કરી દો, પછી તરત જ શોર્ટ ડ્યુરેશન એટલે તરત જ શું થઈ જશે? 0. 0 થઈ જાય, then JK will not affect on output. So this is one option. And third option, we can use master slave JK flip-flop. તમારે ક્લોક ડ્યુરેશન લેટ્સ સે વધારવી ઘટાડવી નથી. એક ઓપ્શન એ છે કે ઓછી રાખો ક્લોકની ડ્યુરેશન, પણ એમાં તમારે એ જ રાખવી છે જે રાખો છો એ. તો પછી ત્રીજો ઓપ્શન કયો છે? We will use one more circuit that is called master slave flip-flop. તો ક્વેશ્ચન આ રીતના પૂછાયેલો હતો. Write a what is the rest around condition? Write a short note on master slave JK flip-flop. So this is the definition of rest around condition, and we will see our next circuit is master slave JK flip-flop. Now here age triggering means what? So right now we have made a circuit such that it will be triggered. Our circuit will be work on either this is called level. Any clock circuit, this is called level, and it is called its age. These are called ages of circuit. કયો ડ્યુરેશન? જ્યારે 0 માંથી 1 માં ને 1 માંથી 0 માં ટ્રાન્ઝિશન કરે છે એને કહેવાય એજ. E B G E. અને એકવાર એ 0 માંથી 1 માં આવી ગયું ને પછી 1 માં ને 1 માં રહે, આને કહેવાય એનું લેવલ. કોઈ પણ વેવફોર્મ ની વાત કરીએ છીએ. ધીસ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ લેવલ એન્ડ ધીસ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ એજ. તો કોઈ પણ સર્કિટ બે રીતના ટ્રિગર થાય. ટ્રિગર મીન્સ એવું સિગ્નલ તમે આપો તો સર્કિટ એક્ટિવેટ થાય. આઈધર એજ ટ્રિગરિંગ. એજ ટ્રિગરિંગ મીન્સ જ્યારે વોલ્ટેજ 0 માંથી 1 માં ટ્રાન્ઝિશન થતા હોય, અમુક સર્કિટ એવી હોય ત્યારે તમે એને વોલ્ટેજ આપો ને એ વોલ્ટેજ કે જ્યારે ટ્રાન્ઝિશન થતું હોય તો સર્કિટ એક્ટિવેટ થાય. અમુક સર્કિટ એવી હોય કે તમે એને એકવાર ટ્રાન્ઝિશન થઈ ગયું પછી કોન્સ્ટન્ટ વેલ્યુ આપો તો એ એક્ટિવેટ થાય. There are various type of clock also. Okay. So if we will give age triggering, તો એ તો એક સ્પાઇક જ છે ખાલી 0 માંથી 1, પછી તો એ સ્પાઇક વહી જવાનું છે. તો પછી એટલા ડ્યુરેશન માટે સર્કિટ એક્ટિવેટ થાય એટલે આપણે રેસ્ટ અરાઉન્ડ કન્ડિશન નહીં મળે. અત્યારે આપણે શું યુઝ કરીએ છીએ? લેવલ ટ્રિગર. લેવલ તો એકવાર ચાલુ થયું પછી એ કોન્સ્ટન્ટ રહેશે થોડા ટાઈમ ડ્યુરેશન માટે. તો ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ ડિઝાયરેબલ. જો 1 ને 1 રહેશે કન્ટિન્યુ ક્લોક તો પછી આપણને શું મળશે? ટોગલિંગ. તો કાં તો એ ડ્યુરેશન ઘટાડો 1 રહેવાનો, અથવા તો એજ ટ્રિગરિંગ યુઝ કરીએ, અથવા તો we will use master slave JK flip flop. So whenever you will write a rest around condition short note, at that time you will also give solution. So there are some solution from which we will use master slave JK flip flop. So the explanation of this thing will be covered later on. Right now I am going to take your attendance. Meanwhile everyone will try to draw the diagram. How it will be drawn? So just listen to me. First of all, name master slave means there must be two circuits. One is master, one is slave. We are told to draw JK using JK flip. So how we will start to draw this circuit? ચાલો કઈ રીતના કરશું? તો પહેલા તો એક માસ્ટર ડ્રો કરો અને એક સ્લેવ. બે બોક્સ ડ્રો કરવાના મીન્સ JK ફ્લિપ ફ્લોપ નો સિમ્બોલ ડ્રો કરો. આપણને આવડે છે JK ફ્લિપ ફ્લોપ નો સિમ્બોલ. માસ્ટર એટલે જેને ઇનપુટ ડાયરેક્ટ મળતા હોય એને કહેવાય માસ્ટર ફ્લિપ. અને સ્લેવ ફ્લિપ ફ્લોપ એટલે પહેલા જે ફ્લિપ ફ્લોપ છે એનું આઉટપુટ એના ઇનપુટને ફોલો કરતું તો એને શું કહેવાય? સ્લેવ. હવે તમે જોઈ શકો કે this flip flop follows the output of first flip flop. So this is slave. પણ જે આ ફ્લિપ ફ્લોપ છે ડાયરેક્ટ જે એક્સટર્નલ ઇનપુટ આવતા હોય એ ડિવાઇસ સાથે કનેક્શનમાં છે. So this is called master. એક માસ્ટર ડ્રો કરવાનું, સ્લેવ ડ્રો કરવાનું, માસ્ટરના આઉટપુટ સ્લેવને આપવાનું. Okay, and then we will draw the clock. Clock such that master ને clock direct મળે છે, clock ને inverter થી મળે છે. આટલું ડ્રો કરી શકો, ઠીક છે. Then we will see in next lecture. We will explain master slave JK flip flop. Okay, first of all you will draw it. First of all, JK flip-flop symbol is properly drawn. So JK flip-flop symbol is JK, clock, QN and QN bar. So two same boxes should be drawn. Same boxes. First flip-flop will be getting direct input. Second flip-flop will be getting output of master. Clock will be connected in this manner. So step by step you need to draw the figure. જ્યારે બોક્સ આ રીતના લખો છો ત્યારે એમને થોડું લખવાનું બધાના સિમ્બોલ બોક્સ જ છે તો પ્લીઝ લખો અહીં લખવાનું J A
Remember, કારણ કે આપણે આવા 4 boxes પછી લેતા લેતા draw કરતા. અને એમાં તમે કીધું હશે કે એક બે, ત્રણ, બરાબર.
અહીંયાથી સ્ટાર્ટ કરશું આપણે નેક્સ્ટ ટોપિક બટ પ્લીઝ remember all this thing. We'll have this long